Hey everybody, today we're going to be installing this lamp into that projector. Are you ready? Let's do it. Alright guys, if you're trying to replace the lamp in your movie projector, like me, my projector lasted about 2 years before I needed a new lamp. So today, I'm going to show you how to replace the lamp in your movie projector. Okay, first you're going to need to order one. I got the serial number off my projector, and a week later, I got this package. All right, it's from China. So let's open it up and see this lamp. Okay, so I ordered mine off of Amazon. You could also order it off of eBay, and I'm sure there's plenty of websites that sell projector lamps. But here you go, I'll let you get a good look at it. Now this particular lamp actually fits a few different models of my projector. It's a Vivitech. It's a Vivitech 1080H. So let's go ahead and put this in. I'd like to note that I've also never replaced one of these before. So we're both going to be learning something new today. Okay, first I have to climb up there on top of these. These tough boxes usually aren't here. They're only there because I don't have an 8-foot ladder to get on top there and get the projector. So I'm going to take this Allen key and try to get the projector off of the ceiling, and then we'll put the lamp in there. Alright, now that we have the projector down here, we can go ahead and open it up so we can put the lamp in there. Now, it looks like this cover comes off. So all we need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Alright, so let's take this cover off, and hopefully that's all we have to do. Maybe it'll just slide off. Oh, look at that. Ta-da! I guess we just have to pull it out of here. Looks like we have 2 more screws that we need to take out. And this lamp should just pull right out. Oh, there's a 3rd screw. All right, attention to detail, people. Come on. All right, we got the 3rd screw, and look at that. It's like magic. It just pops right out. So the screws are already on this lamp bracket, so we can just pop it in here. And tighten up these screws, and we should be good to go. Let's try to tighten them all evenly. Okay, and now we can slide our cover back on. Okay, and we'll just secure the cover with the screw. And there we go. That's it. Placing the projector. Well, there we go, folks. It works. You can see the light. We're good to go. Hey, remember guys, I can explain it to you, but I can't understand it for you. All right, guys, hope you learned a lot. If you did, smash the like button for me. Leave some comments. I'm gonna go watch the movies. See ya.
I hit record a drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding.